Hi everybody, this is Ryan again, and I'm excited to be moving into week 4. It's really going fast, and I appreciate all your hard work. Last week, we did a good job with our discussion boards. They're getting better. They're getting more deep. The initial posts are better, and I appreciate your hard work. The follow-up posts are also getting better. Make sure you're interacting with each other. The minimum is 1 initial and 2 reposts, but really you should be doing more. You should be interacting, asking questions, and answering questions for other people. Some people have been getting on to the cafe and answering questions for other students. I appreciate that. That's a big help for me. I try to get on there, but I'm not on there 24/7, so I do miss some things. But I do follow up. This week, our weekly objective, you'll be learning about hypothesis testing. Studying the relationship between hypothesis testing procedures and confidence intervals. Looking for small sample hypothesis testing for mean and the difference in means. And studying the power of hypothesis testing as well as how to use likelihood ratio testing. So basically this week we're all about hypothesis testing, the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis, and doing things like that. You'll have some required reading this week. You have some problems. You also have discussion boards again. And you also have your midterm this week. So make sure that you allow additional time for your midterm. It's going to take you a little bit of extra time, so you'll need to schedule and add some additional time to your study work this week. But please make sure you get all that in by Sunday evening. Some things about this week that I want to go over with you is hypothesis testing. So basically, a hypothesis is an educated guess about something in the real world. It could be about a new medicine, like we're working with COVID-19 now, and they're doing a lot of testing on that drug. They're using hypothesis testing. Is the drug making a difference? You can also see that in education with many different tests that we give. You're basically going to propose hypothesis or something you want to look at. You're going to, as part of hypothesis testing, you're going to have your null, which is basically the assumed true, and your alternate is what is the change you want to see. So you're going to have to state both of those, and you're going to learn about those in your reading, both a null and alternate. So look for those. And then we're going to learn a procedure to do some hypothesis testing. So again, we have a big week. It's all about hypothesis testing, so make sure that you spend some time with it. Get in there, get the work done. If you have questions, please let me know. Again, this is Ryan, and I'm really excited to be working with you. If you have questions, let me know.